Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT for daily productivity tips. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now click on Try ChatGPT. To get daily productivity tips from ChatGPT, you can ask for specific types of advice, such as time management, focus, or quick tips for boosting energy and motivation. Here I am going to show you some tips and tricks to ask ChatGPT for daily productivity tips. So let's go. Number 1. Request specific types of productivity tips. Example: can you give me daily tips for improving focus and avoiding distractions? Here is the result. Number 2. Ask for tips based on a time of day or routine. Example: can you give me daily productivity tips for starting my morning off strong? Here it is. Number 3. Request tips based on a specific goal or challenge. Example: can you give me daily tips to stay motivated while working from home? Here it is. Number 4. Ask for a variety of tip types. Example: can you give me a mixed productivity tips to help with energy, focus, and time management each day? Here is your result. By specifying the type, time of day, or goal for your productivity tips, ChatGPT can provide helpful, tailored advice to make each day more productive. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT for daily productivity tips. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.